Kitchen Campus is something that we've worked on for many years, and Kitchen Campus got its start from the Paella Challenge. The mission at Kitchen Campus is financial success through culinary art.
Our campus will be an after-school program.
It makes so much sense for us to have a program that develops and nurtures culinary talent. We are committed to mentoring and developing future chefs and the future culinary talents of our city. Our hope is that we can serve a broad cross-section of youth from different parts of San Antonio. I think that we would love to focus on those that have the greatest need and need the most help financially and exposure to this wonderful industry that has been, a blessing to me and a lot of the chef community here in San Antonio. This year at the HEB Paella High School Challenge, we had 12 high schools from all over San Antonio. We have this beautiful HEB pantry. They've been studying what paella is. They've been doing research on the recipes. They've been studying the history of the dish, and when they come to compete, it's serious.
Cooking food is one of my most favorite things to do in the world. I love being able to make something for somebody, especially from scratch, and this is what I get to do at this paella competition.
What I love about cooking is I can create what I love to do and play with my food, and hopefully people love it.
Making food is kind of amazing.
One day, later in the future, I have my own restaurant, or a couple restaurants.
They are competing to win a trip to New York and visit the Culinary Institute of America.
Go to New York for first place. Breckenridge High
School. Students and the youth, many of them are challenged financially. Many of them have never been on a plane, much less have been to New York. For them to travel to New York, visit the Culinary Institute of America, dine in the restaurants, be in the kitchens, work alongside students that are just a couple years older than them, to me, it begins to show them a path. It begins to show them the potential, and maybe the opportunity is real and they can touch it and see it.
My dream is to be a chef and open up as many restaurants as I can.
Traveling to New York was amazing. I've never even been out of San Antonio, so that was a great experience.
I want to open up a restaurant that has like different kinds of food, like different cultures of food.
My dream is to open up a barbecue restaurant.
I want to travel a lot more now and see many different parts of the U.S. or even out of the country.
I can't wait to go to the CIA one day and accomplish my dream.
Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to visit New York and see my future.
If you've never been in a competition, you just have to go for it. Take the chance, either whether you win or lose. Like, it's not about winning, it's about growing and learning and just doing what you can to see what potential you have in yourself that you probably never had before, so just go for it.
Kitchen Campus is super important. There's kind of this missing link between our high schools and our kitchens. There are some things that we as culinary teachers in high schools just cannot practice. You can't get enough knife skills in high school. We don't have the funds to cut up that much vegetables, or we don't have an outlet for that much product for the kids to actually practice. And so Kitchen Campus is actually a great concept for us to send our students to after school and maybe practice those things that we can't do as a high school culinary teacher.